these are the elevators at the Home2 Suites by Hilton in Nokomis, Florida. These are Otis Gen2. Series 2 vandal resistant fixtures, as you see. And this hotel opened in 2017. I think in June or July of 2017. So sometime during the summer. Sum this one up. Actually, look at that. And that. But yeah, we're gonna wait for the air one. This is the one with the rear door. We're gonna go 4. So I just thought I'd give you a little look at the hallway. Here you go. We're not gonna walk all the way down because I have a limited amount of time. So we're gonna go 1. 1 hour shouldn't work, and it doesn't. Here is your certificate. It's actually expired 2018, as you see. Anyway, here is your cab view. My camera keeps going out of focus for some reason. And there it goes. And that'll be it.